Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Demio for webinar funnels and paid events, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Demio for webinar funnels and paid events, start by logging into your Demio account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Webinars tab located on the left sidebar. Next, select Create Webinar to begin setting up your new event. Choose the type of webinar you want to host, either live or automated. Fill in the required details, including the webinar title, date, and time. In the webinar settings, enable the option for registration. Next, configure the registration options to collect attendee information. Scroll down to the pricing section if you want to set a fee for your event. Here, you can add pricing tiers or a single price for access to the webinar. After setting up the pricing, connect your payment processor by following the prompts. Once your payment processor is linked, ensure it is functioning correctly. Now, customize your registration page to match your branding. Add engaging descriptions and images to attract potential attendees. Save your changes after customizing the registration page. Next, set up any follow-up emails for attendees once they register. Ensure you include reminders about the webinar date and time. After finalizing your email settings, navigate to the Integrations tab. Connect any additional tools you want to use, such as an autoresponder. Test the integration to ensure seamless communication between platforms. Once everything is set, return to your webinar settings. Check all details for accuracy and completeness. Finally, publish your webinar to make it live. Now, share the registration link across your marketing channels. Monitor registration numbers leading up to the event. On the day of the webinar, log into your Demio account well before the event starts. Conduct any final checks to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. As attendees join, engage them with a warm welcome and a brief introduction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.